Hello guys, my name is Mr. Fu and today I would like to talk about measures of dispersion. What is dispersion? Dispersion refers to the variation of the items among themselves or around an average. It is greater the variation amongst different items of a series, the more will be the dispersion. As per Bode, dispersion is a measure of the variation of the items. And what is the objective of measuring dispersion? It is used to determine the reliability of an average and also to compare the variability of two or more series. For facilitating the use of other statistical measures, and also the last is basis of statistical quality control. And what is the properties of a good measure of dispersion? First, it's easy to understand. Next, it is simple to calculate. It's uniquely defined. It's based on all observations, and it is not affected by extreme observations. And the last is capable of further algebraic treatment. First of all, we would like to talk about the first is range, which is R. It is the simplest measures of dispersion, and it is defined as the difference between the largest and smallest value in the series. And the function is R equals to L minus S. R is the range, L is the largest value, and S is the smallest value. And the coefficient of a range is equals to L minus S divided by L plus S. Now we would like to do a practice. Here is the answer and you guys can do together, but I will do it for you too. So first, here is 5 data, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will write it from the smallest to the biggest lah. So 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35. So 15 is our smallest value and 35 is our biggest value, right? So we will find the range which is R equals to the largest minus the smallest, and is equals to 35 minus 15. So R equals to 20. And the question asks us to find the coefficient of range. Is equals to what? L minus S divided by L plus S. So is what? 35 minus 15 divided by 35 plus 15. So it is equals to 20 divided by 50. So the answer is 0.4. The answer is right? Okay, that's good. So everybody okay? So we will go to the next page. And now we would like to talk about the interquartile range and quartile deviation. Interquartile range is the difference between the upper quartile and the lower quartile. It covers dispersion of middle 50% of the items of the series. Symbolically, interquartile range equals to Q3 minus Q1. Quartile deviation is half of the interquartile range. It is also called semi-interquartile range. Symbolically, quartile deviation is equals to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. And the coefficient of quartile deviation is the relative measure of quartile deviation. Coefficient of QD is equals to Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. So we will also do some question. And here is the answer. We can do it together. So first of all, the topic asks us to find the interquartile range, quartile deviation, and coefficient of quartile deviation. So do you guys remember the function? We will look at it again. Interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. Quartile deviation is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. So we will finish these two together first, which is interquartile range and quartile deviation. So we will write it also from the smallest to the biggest. Oh, the topic has already write it for us lah. So it is 15, 18, 20, 24, 27, 28, and also 13. So just now, the ESF upper quartile is the upper quartile, right? So the lower quartile, and it will also have the middle. So which is Q2 lah. Cause here have said that upper quartile is Q3 and lower quartile is Q1 ma. So we need to find the Q2. So we need to find the Q2 and also we can find the Q3 and Q1. So here got how many data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The middle one is the number 4 one, right? So this is the Q2. And we don't see the Q2. We don't need to look at this data. We only look at these 3 data, right? 1, 2, 3, and which is the middle? This one, right? So this is what? This is our upper quartile. Okay. No, this is our lower quartile. Sorry. And so this is our Q1. And this 3, what is the middle one? This is the 28, right? So this is the upper quartile. So so do you understand here? Okay. So we need to find which the interquartile range, right? The function of interquartile range is equal to Q3 minus Q1. So interquartile range equals to Q3 minus Q1, which is equals to 28 minus 18. So the answer is what? Answer is 10. Okay, so good. Okay, so next we will need to find the quartile deviation. Okay, so what is the function of quartile deviation? Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. So the answer is 28 minus 18 divided by 2. The answer is 5. And the last, we need to find the coefficient of quartile deviation, right? The coefficient of quartile deviation is equals to Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. So coefficient of QD is equals to what? Is equals to Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. So is equals to what? 28 minus 18 divided by 28 plus 18. So 10 divided by what? Divided by how much? What is your answer? Yes, it's 46, right? So it is no space, so I will write it upside lah. So we will divide it 10, 46. So we will divide it by 2, so it is 5. So 23. Cannot write 5, 23. 5 divided by 23 is how much? 0.217. Okay, and this is our answer lah. It's same with the answer that we got. And the last is the mean deviation, which is MD. It is also called average deviation. It is defined as the arithmetic average of the deviation of the various items of a series computed from measures of central tendency like mean or median. MD for median is equals to x minus m, the total x minus m divided by n, and the MD for mean is total x minus x divided by n. Coefficient of MDM is equals to MDM divided by median, and the coefficient of MDX is equals to MDX divided by mean. So this is the function of the mean deviation. And for the mean deviation, I think you guys can really understand about it. So we will do one question for it. And first of all, I think we will need to find the mean and the median. How to find the mean? Do you guys know? Okay, to find the mean, okay, we will need to we will need to add like all of our data into so 20 plus 22 plus 25 plus 38 plus 40 plus 50 plus 65 plus 70 plus 75 divided by how many data do we got? 9, right? So we need to divide it by 9. And E equals to 405 divided by 9. So the answer is 45. And for the mean, we need to arrange the data from the smallest to the biggest. So it's 20, 22, 25, 38, 40, 50, 65, 70, and 75. And how many data do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so the middle is the number 5, right? So it's 40 lah. So 40 is our median, and 45 is our mean. Okay, until we find the mean and median, we need to find the next is the deviation of each value from the mean and the median. Okay, for the deviation value, we need to minus, so deviation from mean equals to what? Value minus mean. So we need to write down our value. Our value is what? 20, 22, 22, 25, 38, 40, 50, 65, 70, and 75. 65, 70, and 75. So we need to minus. The value is 45, right? The mean value is 45. So 45. So the answer we will get is, the answer we will get is minus 20, minus 7, minus 5, 5, 20, and 25, and 30. So this is the deviation from mean. And next we would like to find the deviation from median. Deviation from median. So it's equals to what? Value minus median. So the value we need to write again. The value is 20, 22, 25, 38, 40, 50, 65, 70, and also 75. Oh, sorry. So sorry, I will erase it. Sorry, Okay, 40 and 75, right? The median, how much? The median is 40, right? Yo. Sorry. Okay. The median is 40, right? So we write down 40 minus 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 40 and minus 40. So we will get the answer. Okay. So the answer will be minus 20 minus 18 minus 15 minus 2, 0, 10, 25, 30, and also 35. Okay, after we find the deviation, we can find what? We can find the mean deviation for mean, and also the mean deviation from median. So if we want to find the mean deviation from mean, okay, so we will need to write down. I will write down here, a moment. Mean deviation of from mean deviation from mean, okay, equals to what? Okay, we need to add this one, so it will not be minus, plus, minus 23, plus, minus 20, plus, minus 7, plus, minus 5, plus, sorry, minus 5, 5, 20, 25, and 30. 5, 20, 25, and 30. 20, 25, and 30. 20, 25, 30. Okay, so the final answer we will get is 25 plus 23 plus 20 plus 7 plus 5 plus sorry guys. Okay, I will delete it. 5 plus 5 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30, and we need to divide it by the total number of the I will write it here again, the total number of the data. So it's 9, right? 9, there are 9 data, so we will get it 17.78 lah. And the mean deviation from median is the same, so we will need to write down mean deviation from median. Okay, we will get it by negative negative 20 sorry guys, I will a moment. Okay, so okay, negative 20 plus equals to plus negative 18 plus negative 15 plus negative 2 plus 0, okay, plus 10 plus 25 plus 30 plus 35 divided by 9. So it will be 20 plus 18 plus 15 plus 2 plus 10 plus 25 plus 30 plus 35 divided by 9. So the mean deviation from median is equals to 17.22. And the last is we need to find the coefficient of mean deviation. I will write it in CMD. CMD is equals to what? Equals to mean deviation divided by mean and multiply 100%. But we didn't write it lah, so it's okay. So CMD is equals to 17.78 divided by 45. So it's equals to 0.39. Oh, sorry. I will erase it. A moment. 0.39. And the last is also the mean deviation from the median. So I will also write it in CMD is equals to 17.22 divided by 40. This is for the median one, so the answer is 0.43. Okay, that's all for our topic 8. And if you guys have any question, you are welcome to comment. And if you like our channel, you can leave a subscribe and also comment alike for us. And that's all. Thank you.